how to see all the activity you have ever tagged in on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see your tagged history on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there. Now click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down until you find your time on Facebook. Click on see your time to see how much time you are spending on Facebook and what you are doing with your time. Now you have activity log. See how much you are spending your time, like your reaction, comment and post. Now click on activity you are tagged in and manage your tagged. Now they're gonna show you all your tag on here. Not all of your item may appear here. Learn more. You can click on it if not all your item may appear here. This is it. This is a new Facebook. This is why I have no tags. This is how you gonna find your tags on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.